video as usual. I have problems with my friggin' camera. I don't understand why it just doesn't continually video for me. It always cuts me off. I wish the hell somebody would help Mr. Fix-It with that shit. That would be nice. Alrighty, plates in place. Snug it right up. Bring it in nice and tight. That little piece up there will compress. You don't want to break this. You don't need to go too tight. You just want to make it nice and snuggy. There you go. And now we have our new trim piece on. Okay, and then we can put our sleeve back on. The sleeve screws right onto the threads of the valve right here and snugs right up right here. All nice and new silver. And chrome. And we can go to our nice new handle. Okay, now we have to turn this so we know where it is. If we're going to turn it to off, that would be off right there. So we want this arrow up to off. So you spin this all the way righty-tighty to off. Pop your cap on so now you know you're at off. Pop your screw in. Once again, don't over tighten, just snug it right up. And this is the cap to hide that. And we're done. There's your new valve.